In this video, I'll guide you through how to access notes offline in Google Keep. If you like using Google Keep to capture ideas, to-dos, or reminders, it's really helpful to know that you can still get to your notes even when you don't have an internet connection. Maybe you're traveling, your Wi-Fi drops, or you're working somewhere with spotty signal. Whatever the situation, as long as you set things up correctly in Chrome, your notes can still be right there when you need them. Let's start with the basics. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. This process works specifically in Chrome because of how it handles offline data, so make sure you're not using a different browser like Safari or Firefox. Once Chrome is open, go to the address bar at the top and type keep.google.com, then press enter. This will open Google Keep in your browser. When Google Keep loads, take a moment to make sure you're signed in with your Google account. You can check this by looking at the top right corner of the page. If you see your profile picture or your initial inside a circle, that means you're signed in. If you're not signed in, you might see a sign in button instead. Go ahead and click that, enter your account details, and wait for Keep to load your notes. Being signed in is important because your notes are tied to your Google account. If you're not signed in, you either won't see your notes at all, or you'll only see a temporary empty version of Keep that won't help you offline. So before you go any further, just double check that the correct account is active, especially if you use more than one Google account. Once you're signed in and you can see your notes, here's the key part. Google Keep automatically caches your notes in Chrome. Caching simply means that Chrome quietly saves a copy of your notes and their content on your device, so they're available even when your connection drops. You don't have to press a special offline button or change a setting for this to work. Just by opening keep.google.com in Chrome while you're online, Chrome starts storing that information locally. To make this more reliable, it's a good idea to open the notes you care about most while you're still connected. Scroll through your Keep, click on a few important notes, and give Chrome a moment to store that content. After that, if you close your laptop or lose your internet connection, you'll still be able to open Chrome, go back to keep.google.com, and view those notes. You can also create and edit notes while you're offline. If you make changes, add new notes, or reorganize things when you're not connected, don't worry about losing that work. Any edits you make offline will sync automatically the next time your device reconnects to the internet. Chrome and Keep handle this in the background. You don't need to manually upload anything. Just keep using Keep as you normally would. And once the connection is restored, your notes will update across your devices. So to recap in a simple way, use Google Chrome, go to keepgoogle.com. While you're online, make sure you're signed into your Google account and let Chrome cache your notes. After that, you'll be able to access and edit them offline, and everything will sync up the next time you're back on the internet.